In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create another account here in Mobile Legends. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to create another account here in Mobile Legends, what you're going to want to do is actually tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. And what you're going to want to do on this page, on this left-hand side menu, is actually select account. And from here in the kind of bottom right-ish area, you're going to see a switch account option. Go ahead and select that, and then confirm it by selecting switch account again. Now from here, you're going to want to choose one of the available login methods. There's Google, there's Facebook, TikTok, Apple, Google Play, Moonton. There's actually a lot. And it's crazy that you can actually sign in with TikTok now. That's wild. But what you're going to want to do is select any of these options and just log in with a new method, not the same one that you use for your current account. And when you do log in with that new method, a brand new Mobile Legends account is going to automatically be created for you. And in fact, you can literally just switch between the two by navigating to this account settings tab and just selecting switch account whenever you're ready and just signing into the other account. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.